Welcome back. It's Savannah. Welcome back to day 3 of Junk Journal January. Today is tickets. And if you watched my last video, I kind of have a plan because I came across these tickets that I had printed up that are in a sticker form. So I am going to do some things with this. So let's go ahead and get started on day 3. This was day 1, the envelope was day 2, and now we're on to day 3. So I'm going to put that aside. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sending you lots of love and pray. Excuse me. Pray that you're doing well. What do we have? Creativity is intelligence having fun. Do now, sometimes later becomes never. And again, I cannot remember whose these are. I will try to figure it out, but I don't know. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. That is true. I love that one. So I think what I'm going to do here is maybe create an over-the-page hanger. Is that what you call it? Over-the-page hanger? So I'm going to set this over here on something hard so I can keep it there. And let me see what size my pages need to be, because I really, really like these. Do I want to do that, or do I want to create a page? Because this is kind of small to be the focal point of a page. But I have several of them. So I could, there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. I like this. Creativity is intelligence having fun. That one needs to be trimmed out though a little bit. So like I said, these were tickets that I printed on sticker paper. I could do both of these on this, and then I'm going to make one of these shorter, because it just makes it easier to put on. Okay. So it'll be interesting doing it in this style of journal, because it's going to be one there, and then on the back side there will be another one. Okay, so let's focus on this first side here, knowing that this is just so small, but it is a ticket. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Why not? First book of history. I feel like I want to cover this with some paper. I want it to kind of match, which that does. Let's see. This is one of my digitals. I don't kind of want to tear it. I definitely want to tear it. And of course, I've lost my ruler. I didn't want to quite tear it that much. Well, that's looking blue. No, I don't want that one. This is just the process. What does that look like with it? What does the ticket look like? No. What about that? I think I like this. Okay, I think I figured something out. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna hit pause because okay, I'm back. I just paused that because just got a delivery and the dogs like to tell the delivery driver that they should not be coming around here. They're very protective of me. So all that you missed was, let me try to get this in frame a little bit better, was me. I just cut this down from, this again is one of my digitals that I've created. It's like a faux postcard. So I'm just going to glue that down and grab a scrap of paper and my glue stick. Here it is. Like, I know it's right there. I can't wait to start seeing what everyone is doing with Junk Journal January. There's so many ways you can go with these prompts, especially this prompt of tickets. Because you can, and I'm going to let that torn edge just hang off a little bit right there. Oops. I got to get that even. There's so many ways you can go with it. You could do a belly band of tickets. That would be a fun way. Fun thing to do. Okay, there we go. Oh, I did it all the way to the top. Now that's sticky. But I know I'm going to be... it's a little crooked. That's okay. There we go. Yeah, you could do a belly band with the tickets. Okay, so I'm going to put that there probably, but I want something to make it stand out. I love fabric, so I'm going to just stick it right down. I know I won't be able to tear this because it's too little of a piece. Oops. So I will have to rough it up like that, which I don't like doing because then it just looks so, it doesn't look as woven. I mean, it looks, no, I don't like that. Okay. Hi everybody, it's Savannah from Love Savannah, sending you lots of love. And I was working on day 3 of Junk Journal January, and unfortunately my phone storage got full, and so it stopped recording and I didn't realize it. So I was working on this tag. I think where the video left off, I was just sticking this tag onto this fabric. But then I also added this this ticket here, which says Faith, Hope, and Love. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of overcast, so the lighting's not really great right now. I apologize. And then underneath here, it's really hard to see now, but this was actually a long ticket. So it was a white ticket with a green back or green outline. And so I put that on, and then I put on the January. I put on the ruffle with 3 little pearls, which aren't showing up very well either. And that is how I accomplished this. And I think it turned out really, really cute. Again, this was from one of my digitals, which is kind of like a faux postcard. But I ended up getting 3 tickets on here for day 3 of Junk Journal January. And I hope you like it. I'm super pleased with how it turned out. I didn't do the back side, but it just slides over the page like this. And there it is. And I think it looks really, really pretty with it. I like how the torn edge is there. And that is all. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. And I will see you tomorrow. Well, you'll see my video tomorrow. And I hope to talk to you all soon. God bless you all. As always, love, Savannah.